Gates open, they're up and racing. Don Ezekiel, Google, si Sari outside. Swab, Tiger running by Rel Vermont. Sweet and Gorgeous, Executive Order, Pilio and Royal Milestone is running at the tail of the field as they race at the last 900. Two runners are fighting it out for a lead. Sweet and Gorgeous, Don Ezekiel is by the round. Google's racing in third, down in four is entry number 4, Executive Order, then followed by Vermont. Next in line is Swab Tiger, Pilio and Royal Milestone as they race towards the last 450. Don Ezekiel leading the field, moving up party outside is Google's, then comes Sweet and Gorgeous, then followed by Swab Tiger, Executive Order, Vermont and Pilio as they swing for home. Google's now leading the field, followed by Don Ezekiel, Executive Order, moving up party outside, then followed by Swab Tiger, Vermont and Pilio, and down the stretch and leading the finish line, Google's moving up now party outside to grab the lead, Executive Order, and finally Executive Order, Pilio, Google's, then comes number 5, Don Ezekiel, Vermont, Swab Tiger, Sweet and Gorgeous and Royal Milestone.